What's up guys, I'm going to show you quickly how to move your script in Blender. Let's say I want to move my hand script to right below the arm. I highlight this and hold Shift+Ctrl up arrow key to move them up or down arrow key to move them down. Enter to make it easier to read. Just an extra note. If you click here and type it, if you just add the text, right? If you press insert button on your keyboard, it will replace your text instead of adding. Do you see the horizontal line? Press insert, it will goes back to normal, the vertical line. So alternatively, you can also select this. Ctrl+X for the cut and paste method. Ctrl+V to paste. Or highlight this, Ctrl+C. Press home button to go all the way and to the left. Ctrl+V. Paste. Duplicate. That's pretty much it. Thank you.